We'll guide you through how to design card on Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Open the Figma file where you want to create the card design. Select the Frame tool from the toolbar at the bottom of the interface. Move your cursor to the canvas area, then click and drag on the canvas to create a frame that will act as the main container for the card layout. Scroll down in the Properties panel on the right side of the interface. Change the background color according to your needs. For example, use the color code EFEFEF to create a light card background. Next, click the Add Stroke Fill icon to add a stroke around the frame. Adjust the stroke color according to your needs. For example, use the color code BFBFBF so the card border becomes visible but remains subtle. After setting the border, adjust the corner radius according to your needs. For example, set it to 8 to create smooth, rounded edges. Next, add a model photo or product image to the card layout. For example, create the image area using a rectangle shape and set the corner radius to 5 so the image container appears slightly rounded. Continue by adding the product information text such as the product name, designer name, seller name, rating, promo information, and price similar to the layout shown in the video. For the typography example, use Montserrat and Poppins fonts to maintain a clean and modern design style. Organize the text elements using auto layout with top left alignment. Set the gap value to 8 and use HUG contents for resizing so the layout automatically adjusts based on the text content. Next, add an Add to Cart button as shown in the video. For example, use a blue color, include a card icon, and apply the Poppins font for the button label. After creating the button, select the product information section together with the button, then press Shift+A to create auto layout, and set the gap to 28. Select the main card frame and press Shift+A again to apply auto layout. For example, set the gap to 15, top padding to 15, and left padding to 11, with top left alignment as shown in the video.